Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to change phone number on Facebook. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. After that, simply tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the account center. Then inside account centers, tap on the personal details. Then inside personal details, you'll get to see the phone number option available there. Tap on it. Once you tap on the phone number, simply tap on the add a new contact. Then tap on the phone number. Now simply add a new number. You want to change it to your Facebook account. After you do so, go back to the phone number you have currently on the Facebook. Now simply tap on it and you'll get to see delete option available there. And all you have to do is enter your Facebook password and you can delete your phone number, previous phone number. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.